This is Module 9 quiz over percents. Number 1. What percent of the rectangle above is shaded? A. 20%, B. 30%, C. 40%, D. 80%. Number 2. What percent of 20 is 40? A. 50%, B. 75%, C. 100%, D. 200%. Number 3. Which of the following is a rational number that is not an integer? -2, B. -5/10, C. 0, D. 4. Number 4. Annabelle picked 65 apples at a local orchard. 40% of the apples were green apples. How many green apples did Annabelle pick? A. 20, B. 24, C. 25, D. 26. Number 5. Dahlia saved $3,000 last year. She saved $600 in the month of January. What percent of the total amount of money she saved last year did Dahlia save in the month of January? A. 20%, B. 30%, C. 40%, D. 60%. Number 6. Anna completed 40% of her homework assignment. Her assignment contains 30 math problems. How many problems does Anna still need to complete? A. 12, B. 14, C. 16, D. 18. Number 7. The pie graph states rent is 30%, savings is 30%, groceries are 25%, and other is 15%. The percent of Tom's budget he spends on different type of expenses is shown in the circle graph above. Tom's total monthly budget is $2,500. How much does he spend on groceries? A. $375, B. $500, C. $625, D. $750. Number 8. Which of the following is the reciprocal of 1 and 2/3? A. -5/3, B. 3/5, C. 5/3, D. 3/2. Number 9. Javier drove 45 miles. This represents 60% of his entire trip. What is the total number of miles in Javier's trip? A. 27 miles, B. 45 miles, C. 75 miles, D. 105 miles. Number 10. Marjani's garden contains roses, daffodils, and tulips. About 3/5 of the flowers are tulips. What percent of the flowers in Marjani's garden are not tulips? A. 40%, B. 50%, C. 60%, D. 70%. You have reached the end of your test. Please rewind this video to watch any of the questions you may have skipped or misunderstood to check your answers.